Hello, welcome back to her haven. It is that time to start your seedlings inside. Some vegetable seeds as well as flowers need to begin germinated indoor. I am going to try to do that. So here's my bunch. I started in mid-February. Here's a nice container as you buy croissants or rolls or what. These little plastic containers are perfect for this process. Nói cô pi ô cô cho yêu rồi nó cô pi mà cô cho nông trâu lấy ít mỏ chỉ cô lên mà mua trâu lấy nhiều paper towel chỉ cô mua trâu trâu lúc zip lại năng trong lên nó chỉ cho nên nhỏ nên ra trắng có tốt cầu trái. I start my seeds by soaking it overnight, then put inside a wet piece of paper towel, and then put in a Ziploc bags and just let it sit under the sun. Once I see the seeds start germinating like this, then I put them into the soil like this. Thầu cô phụ cho yêu bí tàu rú giờ là chỉ có mua rồi cho ăn lên nó nè. Chỉ y lưu ý sẽ để trong lên nó là. After a week long, this is what it looks like. In this tray, I have the sweet pepper, the chili pepper, and some daisy flowers here. So far, it turned out pretty good. I'm waiting for more to germinate, so stay tuned for update.